everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of gardening with a focus on 12 super easy and fast flowers that you can grow from seed. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these blooms are perfect for adding vibrant colors and joy to your garden without a lot of fuss. So, let's jump right in. 1. Marigold. First up, we have marigolds. These sunny flowers are a classic favorite. Simply sow the seeds directly into well-drained soil after the last frost, and in no time you'll be greeted with beautiful golden blooms that attract butterflies and other beneficial insects to your garden. 2. Zinnias. Next on our list are zinnias. Zinnias are like nature's fireworks, bursting with color and life. They thrive in full sun and can be sown directly outdoors. With their fast growth, you'll have a bounty of stunning flowers to enjoy all summer long. 3. Cosmos. Cosmos is another must-have for any garden. These delicate daisy-like flowers are incredibly easy to grow from seed. Scatter the seeds over the soil, lightly cover them, keep the soil moist, and watch as these beauties shoot up and fill your garden with their charm. 4. Sunflowers. Who doesn't love sunflowers? Planting sunflower seeds is a fun and rewarding experience, especially for kids. Choose a sunny spot, sow the seeds, and prepare to be amazed as these towering flowers reach for the sky. 5. Nasturtiums. Nasturtiums are not just pretty, they're edible too. These cheerful flowers are great for beginners as they grow well in poor soil and require minimal care. Plus, their peppery leaves and flowers can be added to salads for a tasty twist. 6. Sweet alyssum. For a touch of fragrance, consider planting sweet alyssum. These tiny flowers produce a sweet, honey-like scent that attracts pollinators. Scatter the seeds in early spring and you'll soon have a carpet of lovely white, pink, or purple blooms. 7. Poppies. Poppies add a touch of whimsy to any garden. Their delicate petals dance in the breeze, and they're surprisingly easy to grow from seed. Simply sow them in the fall or early spring and enjoy their striking blooms in late spring or summer. 8. Bachelor's buttons. Bachelor's buttons, or cornflowers, are old-fashioned favorites that are making a comeback. These cottage garden classics are perfect for cutting and bringing indoors. Sow the seeds directly into the garden, and soon you'll have charming blue, pink, or white blooms. 9. Morning glories. If you're looking to add vertical interest, try growing morning glories. These climbers are incredibly fast-growing and produce stunning, trumpet-shaped flowers. Just provide them with a trellis or fence to climb, and they'll reward you with a cascade of blooms. 10. California poppies. California poppies are not just beautiful, they're also drought-tolerant and perfect for sunny, dry spots. Scatter the seeds in the fall or early spring, and these resilient flowers will brighten up your garden with their cheerful orange or yellow blossoms. 11. Black-eyed Susans. Black-eyed Susans are a staple in wildflower gardens. These hardy perennials are great for beginners and attract a variety of pollinators. Sow the seeds in spring, and you'll enjoy their bright, daisy-like flowers year after year. 12. Alyssum. Last but not least, alyssum is a wonderful ground cover that thrives in cool weather. Sow the seeds in early spring or late summer for continuous blooms. Their delicate clusters of flowers not only look beautiful, but also attract beneficial insects. And there you have it, 12 easy and fast flowers that you can grow from seed. Whether you're looking to fill a garden bed, attract pollinators, or simply add a splash of color to your landscape, these flowers are sure to bring joy and beauty to your gardening journey. So grab your seeds, roll up your sleeves, and let's get growing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening, everyone!